Hey everybody, Teresa here. I kitted this up a while ago and just never got to it. So Travis was asking me when I'm going to get to it. So I thought we might start it. I don't have my tray. I don't have my butterfly with me at the moment, so just figured we could work on this maybe so I could have some time to spend with you guys. This is going to be the main color of our cat, which you can't see, of course. Right? It's almost like a smoky gray. Right? So, let's get started. So, how is everybody? I hope everybody's fine. I am feeling a little better. Thank you for all of your well wishes and your prayers. I know that they worked. Not instantly, but nobody says they will. So I do feel better. So I still got a little bit of a cough. Sometimes I feel or sound like I'm losing my voice. So if it cracks and everything, then I'm sure you'll hear it. So, but we cooled off for a little while. I actually got to turn my AC unit off at night. We'd get down to like 58 at night and in early morning. So the AC unit did go off. Don't want sick kids, guys. Our woman back up. So it's not over yet. Even though we got a taste of autumn, fall, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, it's going to be in the 90s back at the end of this week. So, we have a chance of rain today. Not much, but a chance. If it does, the humidity is going to be back, and I was hoping that we were going to be done with that, but obviously not. But it is what it is. Can't worry about anything. Alright, now I hope this don't send it out of whack here. I think it's up far enough, it won't. And this is why I don't multi-place with you guys, is because my pin has to be straight up, and I realize that that's when things start going haywire. Is when your camera is focused on the tip of your pin and then goes back to the canvas. The tip of your pin and then back to the canvas. So what are you guys working on? On any events? Right? Technically this falls under Diamond Grandma's zookeeper, because there are cats at the zoo. Not technically this kind of cat, but there are cats. So, Travis was just asking if I was gonna, are you ever gonna get to it? So, he just likes cats. So, and this one makes him laugh. So, I figured, okay, I'll get started on it because these partials don't take that long. They go pretty fast. Normally I can finish one like this because of my sleep pattern. I can finish one like this pretty fast. The dragon one I did for the cultures event, I did in one night. So yeah, they can go pretty fast. I'm using this pen because I can't find my favorite pen. So I don't know where it's at. It'll pop up sooner or later. Always does. Moving my stuff from one camper to the other camper so that I can sit with Jules. Because, well, my kitties are fine. They sleep all day. They don't need to be let out to go to the bathroom, right? So, and during any kind of thunder, lightning, all they do is sit underneath my, or they don't sit underneath, but they sit on the bed with me. So, just on my bed, you know, they don't get bothered by it by too much. I mean, I know they want to be on the bed. And sometimes Pattyfoot wants to be under the table, but they want to be sleeping most of the time when it rains and thunders and stuff. So the dog kind of gets really nervous, shakes, right? And I don't want to leave her by herself. Plus, like I said, she can't use a litter box. She has to be let out. So, all right, guys. We're almost done with this color in this one section here. Oop, guess I need to have one on the end. But yeah, I'm the only one still left dealing with this, whatever it is that happens to be bothering me. I don't know where that one came from or was supposed to go to. Oof, sorry guys. All right, why don't we try some of the threes right here. Oof. Quit. All right. And we'll turn this off. Let it go up twice. And then I'll show you this color. It's a really lighter color of the last one. All right, let's see what this one does. And I missed a 2 already. It's alright, ain't like it ain't, don't have to come back out. I knew I wasn't done with it. It'll get done. It'll get done. So yeah, today our weather is very overcast. Like I said, there is a slight chance of rain today. Even though the forecaster is like, I don't think we're going to get any in our area. But we got the cloud cover for it. So, but I don't know that we're going to get any rain. And whether or not we need it, I don't know. I don't keep up with whether or not the state needs rain. I know I don't need the humidity. I guarantee you that. I can tell you that much. So I could go without that. And this one's not going to be very colorful, I should say. Well, with these colors. But I don't think it needs to be. I think the whole expression on his face says all it does. It says it's, you know, I don't know if he's screaming Monday or if maybe there's no coffee made. I don't know. I just know that he makes me smile. Makes Travis smile. Amber seems to like it, and I think Damon is starting to imitate it. That face, right? So, all right, I see a 3 up here that I might have missed. And then the ones are the famous silver, clear, whatever you want to call them. I saw you fall. So, when we're done here, we'll turn the light off so you guys can really see the piece here. I am in the process of trying to film the loom knitting videos. Somebody has asked if I would show that, and I'm trying, so I am in the process of that. I don't know if you'll see that before this, or if I will get them all done and just upload them together. Like I said, I tried to film one. I haven't watched it yet, so I don't know if it came out well enough to put up. Right, so I'm gonna see. But I did want to do this and spend some time with you. So we haven't been doing much. I went to do all my stuff for finally my appointment came up for my driver's license. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. I've been waiting about 4.5 months to get my license because they don't do it outside of an appointment. And it's the first appointment I missed because of work. And then it was like, yeah. Back home, I used to walk into the DMV and get my stuff done. You can't do that here. You know, so now we're working on the 4s. Just wanted to give you a couple of different colors, because the next time you see it, it may be done. So, like I said, these things come together so quickly. So because of being a partial and being rhinestone, they go together quite quickly. And if you don't know what a partial is that we don't diamond paint from top to bottom. We only paint or diamond paint or put drills on what is got numbers. It's not all of it. So all this yellow back here don't have any sticky on it. It don't have any numbers, so you don't put drills there. So hence only part of the canvas is worked. So I don't know where we are in time because I can't see it. And I didn't start my thing. Let me see. All right, just kind of giving that a little mash down. Let's see. Okay, pour these back into the 4s. This was more of a brownish gold, right, than all the gray and the white or the silver. Alright, let's bring this up. Go ahead and take this part off. And can you see the difference in the colors? This was our dark gray, our light gray, our silver, and our browns. But like in this, talking about a partial, his mouth is not sticky. These paws are in here are not sticky. You've got even the tops of his teeth. These teeth are not sticky, but these teeth are, right? These pads are because they've got numbers on them. Put this out here, right? So the only place that's sticky is where the whiskers are and these circles. So all this out here is not. And his eyes are not. His nose is not. In between his ears are not. So that's why it's a partial. So there's one side of him, right? So I'm going to continue on with this. Most of the special shapes are out here on these circles, right? Where you've got marquees and two different colors of bigger rounds. And you've got the 7s in here. These in here are the marquees, the same as they are out here. So I can do these and these at the same time. So I most likely will do another Wip Chat on my talkative kitty, right? When we do the special shapes, because I didn't want to do those today. I want to be able to push this down with my rolling pin before I put on those special shapes. So, all right, everybody, thank you for stopping in. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for coming by and checking us out and stuff. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support to the channel and myself. I appreciate each and every one of you. I pray for you daily, along with our country. So, everybody, please remember to check on your little ones, your fur babies, and your elderly. Remember that the time is changing. Check on your neighbor, right? Check on an elderly in the community, right? But take care of yourselves, because if you don't take care of yourselves, you can't take care of anybody else. And that's what I've been doing. Been off taking care of myself. Yesterday, I didn't pick up anything. Nothing. Over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, I didn't work on anything. I didn't film anything. I didn't work on anything. I just worked on me. So please take care of yourselves, right? And, you know, if you can, help take care of somebody else, because you got to come first, and then reach out and help somebody else feel better too. Remember to show this world your light, right? And your kindness, because out there, there's a lot of people that need it, even if they don't want it, right? Or act like they don't want it. All right, everybody, remember, you never walk alone, right? God and I both love you, right? Please take care of yourselves. From my family to yours, we want to send you our hugs, our love, and our prayers. Everyone, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.